I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to do the speed test comparison between the Realme X7 Pro versus Realme X7 Max device. So let's see friends which phone will be faster in terms of the speed test. So I'll be trying to test the RAM management as well meanwhile, and the Realme X7 Pro has got the Dimensity 1000 plus processor, whereas the Realme X7 Max has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset. So let's see friends which phone will be faster in terms of opening these 15 applications. So I'm not using any kind of games at this point. I'll try to do the gaming speed test as well very soon, so make sure to stay tuned for that video friends. So in this video I'll try to use the 15 applications. So let's see which phone will be able to open faster and which phone will be having the better RAM management as well. So just yesterday I did upload the speed test comparison between the Realme X7 Max versus IQ 7 device as well. Make sure to check that video using the same 15 applications. I did those videos as well. I mean, again, this is the PUBG battery backup training of the Realme X7 Max as well, so make sure to check the playlist for more details. So during this time of testing, I'll try to use the same Wi-Fi network connected in both phones. So let me try to clear all the background applications. All the background applications are completely cleared, as you can see here friends. So I did clear all the background applications, as you can clearly see friends, in both phones completely cleared. Let me even try to show you exactly to what Wi-Fi I'm trying to connect right now. As you can see friends, same Wi-Fi network I'm trying to connect in both phones. As you can see, same Wi-Fi network. So now let me try to close even everything. So now it's done, and let me try to start testing one by one application. So let's see which phone will be able to perform the best. So Dimensity 1200, and the red one is of Dimensity 1000 plus processor. So I forgot to show you even the exactly what kind of models they are using. Sorry for that friends. And when you go to the about phone settings and show you exactly what variants they are. So 8GB RAM variant, as you can clearly see here, and the 8GB RAM variant in the Realme X7 Max as well. So now let's begin the test. So sorry for that. I thought of just doing everything in perfect way only. So now let's start with the first application, which is Google Chrome. Let me try to clear these settings as well. So let's start with the Google Chrome application. So let's see which phone will be able to open the faster, the Google Chrome application. Slightly let me just zoom in so you'll be able to focus properly here. So Realme X7 Max. So Max model did open faster, as you can clearly see friends, the Max model in terms of the Google Chrome. Let's see the WhatsApp. WhatsApp also the Max model opened faster, and Instagram also, as you can clearly see friends, the Max did open faster. And next is the Flipkart. Both did kind of close to each other, not much difference. Next is Amazon application. So Amazon as well, both are kind of close to each other, as you can clearly see friends, not much difference. And one more thing, there is a dual Wi-Fi acceleration which got activated right now. So that is the reason you are seeing two Wi-Fi network. Let me try to disconnect one of the Wi-Fi network. Let me try to forget this one. So one Wi-Fi network is connected right now. Let me try to, sorry for that friends, because of the dual Wi-Fi connection, that is what happened. So let me try to do the testing with the YouTube. So X7 Pro did load this page first, as you can clearly see. So just this is before my video which I uploaded using the cooling fan testing the Antutu benchmark test. So make sure to check that video in case if you're interested. Let me try to open my channel and keep it ready. As a background activity I'm trying to do that. And let me try to open the Play Store. Play Store X Max device, it opened faster. And next is a camera. So camera, let me try to go to the more options and keep it in that options only. And next is Facebook. I think both phones did open faster in terms of the Facebook. And next is Amazon Prime Video. So let's see which phone will be opening faster. I think both are kind of close to each other only, so not much difference in terms of Amazon Prime. Let me try to type something. I'm trying to type something and keep it in the background memory. So next is the Gaana. I think the X7 Pro did open slightly faster, as you can see. X1, I think because of this ad. Otherwise let me try to do it again, the Gaana application only. So let's see, maybe because of the ad it did get slowly open. I'm not sure why. So every time I'm getting this kind of same ad only friends in the Gaana application. So let me try to go back and let me try to open the Myntra application, and let's see. Myntra X7 Max did open slightly faster. And next is ZEE5. I think X7 Max did open this home page slightly faster. I'll try to keep in the TV shows. Let me try to go back. And next is Zoom. Both are kind of okay. Let me try to type. I'm trying to type something and keeping in the background. So now I did open the 15 applications in the background, as you can clearly see friends. 15 applications now will be in the opening in the background. Let me go back to the first application, which is a Google Chrome application. As you can clearly see here, now we can clearly see in the multitasking as well. Let me to quickly open the Google Chrome and let's see whether this will be in the memory or not. The X7 Max clearly in the memory, as you can clearly see friends, the Google Chrome application which is in the memory. So next is WhatsApp also in the memory, as you can clearly see in the X7 Max. And next is Instagram also, as you can clearly see friends, Instagram also in the memory. Let me just slightly decrease the brightness. So now next is Flipkart also did not get loaded in the X7 Max, as you can clearly see friends. Both are having same kind of 8 GB RAM variants, but still the X7 Max was able to perform slightly better. As you can clearly see here, X7 Max did not get loaded anything at all. Same thing is the YouTube application. As you can see friends, YouTube, same page where it is I left, same exactly that page was there in the YouTube. Right now I'm going to go back. Is the Play Store. So Play Store quite was okay, no issues in terms of the Play Store. And next is camera also both remain exactly in 64 only, no issues. Next is Facebook, I think, sorry for that, before I think Play Store. So next is Prime Videos. Let's see Prime Videos. As you can see friends, I did type something and I kept in the background as well, and still it's there, as you can clearly see in the in the Realme X7 Max. And this is the Gaana as well, it's still there. As you can see friends, it did not get reloaded in this phone. So overall, I think the Max device has got really good RAM management. In terms of opening and closing, I did not see much speed difference, only a little bit kind of difference is there, but maybe I need to test the games, so maybe there might be difference in terms of the gaming point of view, in terms of the speed test. I'll try to do that kind of testing maybe tomorrow if possible. So only if you request me to do, I can do that video for you all. So next is Zoom, as you can see friends. So overall, these are quite normal results. I did not expect this kind of close to close, but in terms of the RAM management, I did feel the Realme X7 Max slightly did better in terms of the RAM management, keeping all the 15 applications in the background without any much stress. But whereas the Realme X7 Pro device, so which did take a little bit kind of stress, and only few applications were in the background. That is a one small thing to notice here. So in the next video, I'll try to come up with the adding the games as well, so we'll get to know in the games, so which phone will be able to open the games faster. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. Maybe tomorrow I'll try to upload. So this video only dedicated for the applications, for the applications. So make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to my channel friends, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned, bye.